Okay, so we're gonna clean these wheels up because they're really dirty. If you look at these wheels, they are caked full of dirt, grime, road debris, brake dust, etc. Even bird poop and some dog pee. Okay, first and foremost, we're gonna be using this aluminum cleaner from Starbright. Got it from Amazon for like 20 bucks. You get 64 ounces. I could rinse this, but I'm just gonna let the product do the work. And I'm gonna go over these a couple times, so. Don't inhale, because this is acid. Now that the product has some time to soak, I'm just gonna get my Ryobi drill with brush and just clean it up. I'm gonna grab my flat face brush just to get the spokes also. Alright, so this is just the first pass and it already looks better. Just wait till we rinse it. Already looks better, but we're gonna go over this about 2 more times. And for the tinier spots, hard to reach, you can just get your detail brush and just agitate it in between those spots. And then you give it another rinse. Okay, so as you can see, it already looks better. Okay, a little bit of dirt in these windows. I'm just going to go over it one more time, focusing on all these little spots here. Okay, so you can see my wire brush marks, but other than that, I got most of the grime off. I'm gonna say that this is better than before. I don't know about you guys, but I think that's looking mighty decent. Okay, like, comment, and subscribe if you think this is better than before. Okay, really gotta say that this car's looking decent. Looking decent.